What's going on, guys? Tony here. Positive Tech Reviews in the building. Can you guys see downtown Cleveland there? Right there, downtown Cleveland, right in between. For some reason I can't zoom when the steady shot is on, but this phone did get an update. This is actually the A70, and I'm out here getting my steps in. I'm 32 minutes in, and just did a video on it, and now I'm going back down. You guys can see where I'm at. I'm up here. I'm on top of the world, guys. You guys can see down there is where I need to go. It's a little trail going down, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. You guys can check out how steady this camera is. The A70, Samsung Galaxy A70. I did this video. I did a video earlier with the wide angle, and this is just a regular angle with steady shot on, so it has steady stability on here. It is super steady. Handheld. It's handheld. I only got my hand, no tripod, none of that fancy stuff. This is handheld. Hopefully I'm not covering up the speaker, but check it out. Look at that. It's a beautiful camera. Very stable on my end. Hopefully it is to you guys when you guys see this video. But I'm going on the trail. This is where I was at up there. I just walked this trail maybe about 20 minutes up here, 20-25 minutes. And yeah, A70 on deck. Paired up to my Samsung Gear Sport, which I love the Gear Sport. The Gear Sport has been excellent. It doesn't have that MST from the S3s, like the S3 Frontier or the S3 Classic, but it still has Samsung Pay with NFC. This phone, the A70, it's an international version, so you can't pick this up at a store or anything like that. They don't sell these here. This is only available online, either Amazon, eBay, or Swappa, or I think they have another one, which is what is it? B&H. How are you?
Hello.
How you doing? B&H Photos, I believe, sells this phone also. I'm not sure which models they have. This one is the SM-A705MN. So this is the one that I have. It works super great on T-Mobile. It also works great with the Google Fi. So I have a Google Fi SIM in the #1 slot, and then on the #2 slot I got my main T-Mobile SIM. So I'm basically using Google Fi for data because I do have limited data. I'm grandfathered in the T-Mobile Family Simple plan, which is a plan that I got like years ago, and I've never gotten off that plan because it's an incredible plan. Even though I don't have a lot of data on it, it's still an incredible plan. So the plan is, the T-Mobile plan is Simple Family Plan. First 2 lines are $100. Every additional line is $10. So my monthly bill, as we speak today right now, is actually $130 a month for 5 lines on T-Mobile. That is incredible. I don't think you can get a better deal anywhere else. And not only do I have the 5 lines on T-Mobile for $130, I also have the T-Mobile duplicate SIM, which is free because I'm an early adapter to that service, and that is on okay. That is on my iPhone 6S, which I just replaced the battery on here. This phone is a beast also. It is actually on iOS 13. Let me show you that real quick. It's on iOS 13.1, and I just got the battery replaced on it yesterday. So if you go back to battery, here's battery. It's at battery health is at 100%. So I've been rocking with this phone early this morning, and let me see where we're at. Let me see. Okay, so we're at 4 hours of on-screen time And maybe this will show you. Like last charge, I took it off at 10:30 a.m. this morning. So I charged it to 100% at 10:30. So it's been doing real good. I've been watching a lot of videos on it. That's why I got like 3 hours and 45 minutes. I'm just breaking in that battery. I'm at 31%, so going extra hard on it, but it's a very small battery in here. It's like 1700 milliamp battery, so it's lasting as long as it gives me about 4 hours of on-screen time. I'm very content with that. But back to the A70 and back to what I was talking about. I'm out here. I left the bike today, decided to heel toe it today and get it seems like on a bicycle I can get more distance, like mileage, but I get a better workout walking. So I think to me, like especially going up and down these hills. But yeah, the A70 is a incredible phone. Like I said, you can't pick it up here in the USA. You can get it on Swap, eBay, Amazon, and I already gave you the model that I have. Like I said, it works great on T-Mobile. It does have the bands, 66, 2, 7, 10, 12, all those bands. Only band that is missing is the newer one, which is the 71. It's not present on this phone, but this is the international version once again. And it does get a strong signal. I have like 5 bars right now on this phone. So great connection. Call quality on here is superb. It's very good call quality. I get my text messages instantly as I would with any other device. So the international version is not to fear, especially if you get this model that I have, which is once again the SM-A705MN. This is the model that I have. This is the one I would recommend. It connects to T-Mobile very strong. Now any other carrier I'm not familiar with. I've just used T-Mobile. So if you're on T-Mobile, this is the one to get. But yeah, it has a Bluetooth 5.0. It has USB Type-C, fast charging. It does charge fast. I can tell you, I haven't really timed it, but I can tell you it charges like in an hour. You're at 100% from 0. So I've never gotten it down to 0. Though. That's the thing. But it charges super fast. What else? Triple camera setup on the back, wide angle, standard, and then we got that bokeh effect camera that kind of does the blur for you. And on the front we have a single camera, which is 32 megapixels. The back is 32 megapixels also. High megapixel count. And the front facing camera is definitely a beast. I really like the front facing camera. I love the still shots on the front. And the back camera is also good. But the video quality on this phone with a steady shot on stabilization, it's actually electronic. Samsung just knocked it out the park. So this phone, pick it up for under, I think right now it's going for like under 350 bucks, brand new. Does come with a case, does come with headphones, does come with a fast charger, USB Type-C on both ends. So yeah, the phone is a beast, man. It's a little beast. I actually enjoy it. The battery life that I'm getting on here is crazy good. I tried to kill it one time. I couldn't do it. I went to sleep. It put me to sleep, man. I got like over 7 hours, almost 8 hours of on-screen time trying to kill the phone. And the phone killed me. So that says a lot right there. I'm getting easy. A day and a half. The thing is that I always charge up at night because I don't want to, I always charge at night. I always keep it 100% when I get up so that I make it a whole nother day. But it'll easily get you on one charge a day and a half, depending on what you have installed. But let me know how this video is, man. This is just a beautiful hike today in the morning. I got the wrong shoes on. I should have brought my boots, but oh well. So yeah, man, I have a lot of headphones at home. I got like tons of headphones. I want to get the Galaxy Buds just to try them out. But I have so many headphones that I'm like, I really don't need them. Honestly, right now I'm using the Bullets Wireless 2 from OnePlus. They sound real good. They connect to this phone real nicely. And the audio quality is pretty strong on here. I like this. So now we're back at this sign. This is the sign. So I already went down that trail. If you watched my last video, I went that way and I came back and then I went up this way. So this one is the Lookout Trail Ridge is probably a little bit far. I don't know how far that is, but oh yeah, it goes way down there. So I just went from here to here and back. I don't know where I went, but yeah, I'm already sweating. It's getting warmer. It's about 75 today right now. What time is it? It's early. It's like probably about 10 o'clock or something. I made it out here early. There's a lot of down trees. But this is beautiful, man. Let me know what you guys think about the video quality on the Samsung Galaxy A70. This is 1080p. I think it's like 30 frames per second. I'm almost certain there's 30 frames per second. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys where I'm at. So this is me right here, hiking it through the trails. I'm out here by myself because everyone, I guess they stayed up late last night. They stayed up too late. So I got up early and I just said, I'm out of here, man. I'm tired of sitting around watching TV. You know, I'm hooked on Netflix, man. But yeah, I just decided to get out today. I left the bike. Just kind of a spontaneous thing, but yeah. We're out here, guys. The trail, some more down trees. I got 32 ounces of water. I believe this is 32. Let me see. Yeah, 32 ounces or 32 ounces of water. A lot of water, plenty of water. Drink up. But we're almost at the end. The heck is that? We're almost at the end of the trail. And thanks for you guys joining me on the little hike trail today. It's different type of video. It's more like me talking about the device. If you guys enjoy videos like this, where I'm out here chopping it up and just giving you guys my thoughts on certain devices, drop a comment, let me know. But the A70 has pretty much everything that you would need on a smartphone, man. It even has a headphone jack. So the headphone jack is here, the SD card is here, the 6.7 inch Super AMOLED is here, the big giant battery is here, the 6 gigabytes of RAM is here. That's plenty of RAM. The 128 gigabytes of storage is here. The only thing that's not here, a couple of things that are not major. I mean, the dual stereo speaker. It only has a bottom firing speaker. I tried to criticize it, but it actually sounds real good, so I'm okay with it. It's not a screeching speaker. It's a nice, decent sounding loudspeaker, so I'm good with that. And wireless charging is not on here. Wireless charging, that's more of a, what do you call that, convenience thing. Convenience if you don't want to be plugging in, just want to lay your phone down and do its thing. Not a deal breaker for me though. What else? The materials on here, it is a plastic phone, or as they're saying, a Glasstic is what they're calling it now. Feels like glass, but it's actually plastic. It has the beautiful colors on the back. Has like a rainbow hue. I love it. And it's actually been holding up pretty good, man. It's been in a case, I'm not gonna lie, but I take it out. I've had phones that actually got scratched in the case. So the feel in hand, I know I hate to talk about that because I feel like when you talk about the feel in hand on a smartphone, you're actually looking for something good to say about it, but I'm not. The feel of this phone in the hand, it's actually, you can tell that it's not glass, or can you? I can't really, to me it feels like a good phone, you know, you get what you pay for. And I think that Samsung has offered the bang for buck with this one, man. I think they offered a lot of good points. It checks a lot of things that people want on their smartphone. Big beautiful screen, you know, check. Headphone jack, check. SD card, check. And the price is like the number one. The price, people when they go out to buy smartphones, I don't care if you agree or disagree, if you're giving you my point, they look at the price. And if the price is outrageous, they're like, oh hell no. And you know it's true, you've done it. I've done it. Price is a determining factor when it comes to smartphones, believe it or not. And I'm back out on the main trail. Once again, thanks for hanging out with me. We've been at it for about 15, 16 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed this little walk with me. Drop a comment. Catch you guys on another one. We are out. Peace.